In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for the Dhgate affiliate program. If you want to start promoting products and potentially earning commission through Dhgate, the sign up process is fairly straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect on each screen and how to complete the application smoothly. To begin, open Google Chrome and type affiliate.dhgate.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the official affiliate sign-up page before moving forward. This helps avoid confusion and make sure you're applying through the correct platform. On the home page, look for the main Join Free or Sign Up button. It's usually placed somewhere easy to spot since it's the primary call to action for new applicants. Go ahead and click that button to begin the registration process. Next, you'll be asked to either connect an existing Dhgate shopper account or create a new account if you don't already have one. If you've shopped on Dhgate before, using your existing account can save time and keep everything connected in one place. If not, just complete the registration section to create a new identity and continue. As you do this, make sure the information you enter is accurate and consistent since this may be used later to verify your affiliate account. After that, you'll reach a questionnaire about your promotional channel profile. This part is important because Dhgate wants to understand how you plan to promote their products. You may be asked about your traffic sources such as a website, blog, social media pages, content channels, or other marketing methods. Answer these questions honestly and clearly. The goal here is to show what kind of audience you have and where your promotional traffic comes from. If you're just getting started, fill it out as completely as possible based on your current setup. Once everything is filled in, review your details one more time before submitting. Double check that your account information and promotional profile are complete, since incomplete or unclear answers could slow down the review process. When you're ready, click Submit to send your affiliate application to the review team. After that, your part is done and the platform will review the information you provided. Depending on their process, you may need to wait a little while for approval or a follow-up update. That's it. You've now completed the Dhgate affiliate program application process. If you found this helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.